In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, the potential to earn money continues to grow. By leveraging various platforms and strategies, individuals can monetize their social media presence effectively. From sponsored content to affiliate marketing, opportunities abound for those willing to invest time and effort into building their online brand. Utilize affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy to monetize your social media presence. By partnering with brands relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions for promoting their products or services. To excel in affiliate marketing, choose partners that align with your audience's interests, ensuring authenticity in your recommendations. Incorporate affiliate links strategically within your content, such as in product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. Track your affiliate performance using analytics tools to understand what resonates with your audience and optimize your strategies accordingly. Regularly evaluate and update your affiliate partnerships to ensure relevance and maximize earnings. Building trust with your audience through transparent and genuine recommendations is key to successful affiliate marketing on social media. Offer online courses or webinars. Offering online courses or webinars is a lucrative way to make money on social media in 2024. By sharing your expertise and knowledge with a global audience, you can create valuable content that people are willing to pay for. Utilize platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Zoom to create and host your courses or webinars. To attract more participants, promote your sessions through social media ads, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers. Ensure your content is high quality, engaging, and provides actionable insights to keep your audience engaged. Consider offering a mix of free and paid content to build credibility and attract a wider audience. With the right strategy and valuable content, online courses and webinars can be a profitable revenue stream on social media. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. One effective way to monetize your social media presence is by partnering with brands to create sponsored content. By featuring products or services that align with your audience's interests, you can provide valuable content while also generating income. When selecting brand partnerships, prioritize authenticity and relevance to maintain trust with your followers. Consider reaching out to brands that share your values and cater to your target demographic. Negotiate fair compensation for your sponsored posts, taking into account factors such as audience reach, engagement rates, and the value you can offer to the brand. By establishing mutually beneficial relationships with brands through sponsored content, you can increase your social media revenue while delivering engaging content to your audience. Create and sell digital products. One lucrative way to make money on social media in 2024 is by creating and selling digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or digital artwork can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a passive income stream. To excel in this venture, focus on identifying a niche market, creating high-quality and valuable digital products, and marketing them effectively on social media platforms. Utilize engaging visuals, compelling copy, and strategic calls to action to attract and convert your audience. Providing excellent customer service and continuously updating and improving your digital products based on feedback will help you build a loyal customer base and drive sales. Additionally, consider offering discounts, bundling products, or collaborating with influencers to reach a wider audience and boost sales. Implement paid memberships or subscriptions. One effective strategy to boost earnings is to implement paid memberships or subscriptions. By offering exclusive content, perks, or behind-the-scenes access to subscribers for a recurring fee, content creators can attract a loyal fan base willing to pay for premium content. This model not only provides a steady income stream but also fosters a sense of community and engagement among followers. To maximize success, creators should regularly deliver high-value content, interact with subscribers, and continuously innovate to offer unique benefits that incentivize membership retention and attract new subscribers. By leveraging paid memberships or subscriptions, content creators can monetize their social media presence effectively in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, making money on social media in 2024 requires a strategic approach. Leveraging diverse income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital product sales can boost earnings. Consistent engagement, niche expertise, and adapting to evolving trends are key to success. Embrace creativity, authenticity, and community building to maximize revenue potential.